had dinner and everything. And earlier today, the truck started making noises. Like, we ain't sure exactly what it is. What was it, man?
A hub bearing.
A hub bearing, yeah. So, like, hopefully we get home, guys. Right? So, I'll update you later on the night, let you know if we ever made it home. I'm hoping that we do. Yeah, y'all gonna hear the banging in a second here, guys. If anybody know what that sound is, let us know, man. Leave it in the comment. Y'all can help us figure out what's wrong with it before we get it looked at by a mechanic and all.